A decent ambience, tasty food, and affordable price. Wow, what a combination. We all hunt for such a place, isn't it? आज है सैटरडे वीकेंड इवनिंग. मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली सेम कम्बिनेशन चाहिए था और गूगल में ढूंढने लगी. आफ्टर क्वाइट सम टाइम आई फाइनली फाउंड सच अ प्लेस. हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अ न्यू वीडियो. So this is D Baker Tree Cafe and RESTRO in Jayanagar Road, opposite BPCL petrol pump, 6 Mile, Guwahati. This cozy cafe has an absolutely amazing ambience where each and every corner had something pretty background where you can click pictures, lot of Instagrammable spots and decor. Interior is very vibrant, bright and perfectly suits the theme of the cafe tree. They serve you with varieties of cuisines for starter and main course like North Indian, Continental, Chinese, Italian and Sichuan. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, they also have quite number of beverages, shakes, mocktails, desserts and fast food too. You can come here for brunch, lunch, evening snacks and dinner too. उनके पास डाइनिंग, डिलीवरी, क्विक बाइक आउटलेट, टेक अवे, कैफ़े सब ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है एंड दे आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन जोमेटो. सो दिस इज़ द मेन्यू दैट दे हैव. तो आप देख सकते हो कौन कौन से आइटम्स है और उनके प्राइजेस भी क्या है, तो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगा. And also on your request they arrange candlelight dinner for your special occasion. तो अभी हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर कर दिया है, तो उन लोगों ने बोला that it will take some time to prepare the food. So it took us around 25 minutes to get our order. So the service was good. They lead you to your seat and talk nicely to you. Doesn't matter how many people are there with you, they get you covered. So friends, family, date, it's perfect restaurant for everyone. And also they have got a smoking zone too. So overall we had a great experience spending our Saturday evening here, enjoying the yummy food, sitting in this vibrant cozy cafe. So mark the D Baker Tree as your next restaurant cafe to visit. So thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं मेरे next video में. Till then, bye bye, take care. और हाँ, अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल में नए आए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट कि आप लोग विज़िट करने वाले हैं कि नहीं, स्पेशली जो गुवाहाटी में रहते हैं।